How to screen share with audio on the Messenger app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can do a video call on Messenger and then screen share while still turning on your audio or even your microphone's audio or your speaker's audio, depending upon what you want. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So I've got two devices with me, which I'm going to call in front of you right away, as you can see. And I'm just going to start a video call in this case with this specific person over here. So I'll just go ahead and then just pick up this call over here. So once I basically pick up this call, you'll see this type of interface. So if I want to share the audio, first of all, I just have to tap on the little sharing icon, tap on the share icon over here, right, to share my screen. So basically I have started sharing my screen, and then I'll just select start broadcast. Now this person will be able to see everything on my screen, as you can see over here. Now what I want to do is, if I want to stream with audio in this case, I just have to tap on the three lines icon from the top right, go to call settings, and you can see audio output. You can set this to iPhone, or then you can set this to speaker. Depending upon whatever you talk or whatever anything is going to play on your screen, this person should be able to hear them. But you have to make sure that you have allowed the microphone access. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then actually screen share on Messenger with audio. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.